Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning to Encik MASLAN. So today we will explain, our group member will explain about the Prelab 2, about the CS programmer and CS designer. So our group member is me, Muhammad AMIRUL bin SAZALI, then MCK, and Muhammad SAJJAD, then James Shirong. So SAJJAD, can you explain about the CS programmer?
Okay, thank you, Mirul. So we will discuss Prelab 2. So before that, we'll already download both CS Programmer and CS Designer. Okay, so in this Prelab, we learn how to program and how to simulate a simple on-off application using CS Programmer and also CS Designer. Okay, so basically CS Programmer is a software that is written in ladder language to mimic a PLC circuit. So CS Designer is a software that can connect to CS Programmer and show an equivalent graphic representation for our PLC circuit in CS Programmer. Okay, so in that discussion, I will pass to CHEE to explain about CS Programmer.
Alright, so I will explain about this circuit in the CS programmer. So we have two switches. The first switches is S1, which is represented by number 1.00. This is an open switch. And also we have S2, which is represented by 2.00, and this is a closed circuit. So we have two outputs. Why do we have this two outputs is because that this is a latching circuit. So whenever this S1 is connected and S2 is also automatic, it's already connected originally. So if like the whole circuits are connected, we light up the 100, which is the output of the light. Then when this 100 is turned on, the second output, which is on the level 2, will also turn on. Then this level 2 will remain turned on even though the S1 already unpressed. Okay, so I will pass to Shirong to explain further.
Okay, now I will just explain how to connect between the CS programmer and also the CS designer. So firstly, if we have done already the circuit, just show like this. Okay, and also this, we just need to change the serial number here to the same number that we list in the programmer. So to simulate this circuit, normally we were using this. If we're not using designer, we just press the online simulation. Okay, we just press work online simulator. But now since we are using CS designer, so we will choose the other option, which is start PLC PT integrate simulation. This one will start the simulations that connect between the designer and also the programmer. So after it run through the test, run through all of this, then they will pop up a window, okay, of the CS designer that we designed. Okay, for S1 and S2. These are, just now we have a little bit problem since we go through this. I just need to save time. Okay, and then we run again. Okay, see, now we have only two buttons and one output source. So now when we press the S1, normally we can just change it here with using the set on, okay, or we can just directly change here, just direct press this one. See, the light will on, and then the latching circuit will form. Just happen once. Just now what the condition was, GK explained already. So the light will off once the S2 is pressed, and then the pulse will become open, so the light will off. Okay, to simply connect, I will direct show building a simple circuit that connect between programmer and designer. So for example, adding a new number, 300, okay, then we choose S3. Okay, and S3. And also one more, I use out, and then I use 200, 00, okay. Now this one will be out 2, something like this. So after I just adding this, I'll just go through the designer. I can add a push button here. Okay. This one is actually, we can label anything in here, we can have S3 or anything else. Now, and then we can change the serial number here, and also for the outside. For example, set 1, this one, we already combo number already. So this one we just change to 3, since now we are using 3.00, okay? So now press OK. And then one more, we want to generate the output, then just press. So from here, okay, can label also. So I set up here. Okay. And also setting general, this one we can set here. Just now we used 200. So like this. So when we run the simulation, just now what I have shown before is we run the simulations from the programmer, and now I will try to run from the designer. So we can run the simulation from there, just using the where's the tools, and then press test. Just simply like this, and then we save the change. And then here you have the option, so we just choose the options that connect to CS simulator. So you have direct connect to the programmer. Okay, and here you will run through this, turn the process being run. The window will be pop up. Then the new button here, you just select, see? They will just as show and link with the programmer. So that's all and what we have learned from this Prelab. Okay, thank you.
Alright, thank you.